If you're anything like me, you've probably got a bunch of half-built side projects sitting in your GitHub graveyard. I used to think a side project was just for learning or fun, and that's fine. But once I realized that some of these ideas could actually become real SaaS products, everything changed. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the exact mindset and process I used to take a small idea and turn it into something that people might actually pay for. I'll share my mistakes, what I've learnt building real products, and how I think about tech, design, marketing, and even what to focus on after you launch. Whether you're a solo dev, an indie hacker, or just someone trying to break into SaaS, this one's for you. One of the biggest mistakes I made early on was trying to build something massive right from the start. I had these big visions, a dashboard with every feature under the sun, fully responsive, perfectly designed, and it never shipped. Or worse, it shipped half-baked and was way too heavy to iterate on. That's the trap a lot of devs fall into. We think we need to build everything before showing it to anyone. But the truth is, most of the time, your first users only care about one thing. Does this solve their problem right now? That's it. The smaller and more focused the solution, the faster you'll get feedback and the easier it is to actually improve it. Now, when I start something, I aim for what I call a tiny but tight build. One core feature, clean code, no fluff. But I also future-proof just enough to not regret it later. I'll make components reusable, organize folders clearly, maybe set up a lightweight structure. So if it grows, I'm not fighting my own architecture. And that mindset shift from build it all to build just enough well is what allowed me to turn more projects into real products. It's not about cutting corners, it's about building smarter from day one. When I first started building apps, I kept everything to myself. I'd spend weeks coding in a vacuum, obsessing over details I thought mattered. But none of that helped me grow because I wasn't getting real feedback. I was building what I thought people wanted, not what they actually needed. Everything changed when I started sharing my work earlier, whether it was unfinished screenshots on Twitter, Reddit or YouTube, or dropping a basic version into a relevant Discord, putting my projects in front of people, helped me cut through my own assumptions fast. Some of the best insights came from these places. A stranger on Reddit would point out something obvious I'd totally missed, or user feedback email pointing out a bug that I'd not spotted. Like I said in previous videos, this information is gold. Now I try to build and show my work as often as I can, to open the door to real conversations with real users. People love being part of something that's evolving, and more often than not, early users will root for you if they see you're listening and improving. The feedback loop doesn't just shape the product, it shapes your confidence and decision-making as a solo dev, and it's great for networking. This is where I shift gears. Instead of building for me, I'm building for someone else. I start to think about their experience. What do they see when they sign up? Is it clear what this does? Can they get value in under 5 minutes? I build with onboarding in mind, polish my UI, handle edge cases better. No more "it works on my machine" code. I also keep my feedback loop tight. I'll post quick demos, ask for thoughts, and use real conversations to shape features. This phase is where your project starts to feel real, and honestly, the difference in mindset shows in the product. It's not about perfection, it's about being thoughtful with every decision, from copy to UX to error handling. While building out any product, one of the hardest parts to nail, especially as a solo dev, is adding real-time features that actually feel intelligent and engaging. Whether it's live chat, voice, or video, users today expect those experiences to just work and feel modern. And that's where I found something super helpful. It's called ZEGOCLOUD. It offers a full suite of conversational AI tools that let you build real-time communication into your app. Things like smart audio rooms, chat with AI context, and even video, all powered by their back-end infrastructure. What's great is you're not starting from scratch. You can plug in enhanced features that boost engagement and user retention without needing to hire a whole team to build it. They've done a lot of the hard lifting already, including pre-built SDKs and APIs. To test it out, just head to ZEGOCLOUD.com and you'll see they're giving 10,000 free minutes when you sign up. Once you register, you'll land in their developer console where you can spin up your first project, access the SDKs, and start playing with the tools right away. It's actually one of the smoother onboarding flows I've used. What's cool is that ZEGOCLOUD doesn't just give you tools, it gives you building blocks for real-world user experiences. Whether you're creating a new AI-driven support tool, an immersive and interactive live streaming features, or just want to build something unique with voice or video, this gives you a huge head start. Whether you're building a chat-based tool, launching something collaborative, or just exploring what's possible with real-time voice and AI, ZEGOCLOUD gives you a solid foundation to move fast and build smart. I've dropped the link below. Give it a try and see what you can create. A lot of devs think launch day is the finish line, but really it's the starting gun. I used to throw stuff on Product Hunt and expect it to magically blow up. But what actually works is consistency after launch. Keep talking about your product, keep shipping small features, share stories, be visible. When people see the journey, they buy into the mission, not just the tool. I've had more sign-ups from Reddit posts and tweets than any big launch. And don't underestimate a clear landing page. Throw in a demo video, a few key screenshots, and you're good. Marketing doesn't need to be perfect, just clear and honest. The leap from side project to real SaaS is smaller than you think, but it requires intention. It can blow up in an instant, but it can fail just as fast. Start small, validate early, and build with your users in mind. Add polish where it matters and use the correct tools for relevant problems. And most importantly, share your process. Build in public. The more people feel connected to your journey, the more they'll want to support it. If you've got a side project you're thinking of taking to the next level, let me know in the comments. I'd love to check it out. If you want to know how to start earning money from your apps, then watch this video here. It's a good one.